Hi, so I'm here again. So today I'm going to speak about the customer service. So customer service is, you will know that every day and every company has their own team who help their customer, their people who use their product and service. So the team for that company brand is need to take care of that customer need so that they can provide delivery and help assist to those people who buy or use that product and service. Okay, so if you take an example in our daily life, like we are also like a customer for some product. For example, talking about this mobile, you are using the SIM card, right? So every brand has their own, every company has their own customer service. So somebody is using or taking the service of that particular brand or company like SIM A, and but to what I can say, like how to generate more business and how they deliver their product and how they can be very good and useful in the customer service. There is a team behind that, that is known as customer service. Like for example, if I take one particular brand, if I have some doubt, if I have some questions about that particular brand, so I have so many questions, so many queries. So where I will speak, to whom I can talk? There's a team behind that brand, that is known as the customer service of that particular brand. So it is very important for that customer service department to look after their particular people, particular group who avail use that product and service. So for those person, the customer team need to provide them and help them and assist them for their queries. They're small, sometimes they don't speak. So is the customer care, is the customer person, executive representative thinking, or they need to understand and read their customer mind, that what they need and what they actually looking for. And sometimes the customer hesitate to speak, that maybe if I ask this thing, maybe it is not so good, or maybe that is not relevant to that product. So as a customer representative, as a customer service executive, this is also the duty and responsibility to understand that customer. So example, suppose a customer come to your company and try to take some product knowledge, like I am the first time user of this particular product, what it is, how it is unique from other. So the customer service executive, the person who's represent that brand and who work in the customer related department, you need to be very sure about the knowledge about that product, so he can speak, and you have to speak truly about your product. So it is a very important point in customer service. So let me speak 3-4 points, 3-4 things, 3-4 character that should be important in customer service. Like first, as I told you already, the product knowledge. If you don't have the knowledge of the product, how can you sell that product? If you don't know the use of the pen, you say, yeah, you can use the pen only for writing, but there are some other things as well that you can do it. Like even it is small thing, like for example, the pen you're using for writing, sometimes people are using the scale. You remember in school time when we are using pen or like scaling, when we don't have the scale. So you need to improvise that. You don't say only one thing about that particular brand. You need to know the knowledge about that product, so you can sell or you can answer the query about particular product to your customer. So product knowledge is one. Second, positive language. Positive language mean to say, like whatever you speak, it should be reflect positive about that particular brand or some particular product. Means if somebody is comparing, oh, this thing is very costly in your place, but other place I find it same quality, same product in very cheap price. So you need to improvise that how you can upsell, how you can add the unique thing on that particular product, so you can speak to your customer and tell them the benefit about that. Okay, so positive language. Then speaking skills. Then the speaking skills means you need to add a particular word, particular term, and it should be very simple. Sometimes you speak some particular product in so much technical way. For example, if you're going to buy a car and you are telling about the features, like, sir, it is have 6.5 torque and it has the super beam light. So these things normal customer doesn't know who want to go for buy the car. So you need to be like improvise your word. You need to speak about about your skills and speak about the things that is very normal. So it should look like friendly. You should read the guest as well, but what actually they are looking for. Things that you are saying, that particular word and particular term, it's already written in the brochure. So you should tell them in layman language the unique thing. This is called speaking skills. Then other important thing is, that is very important, it is patience. Sometimes the customer are very different types. Some are very aggressive, some doesn't speak so much, some only want to speak point to point. So you need to be very patient in listening them, that what actually they are looking for, what product they want. And the next point is also important, is taking the responsibility. Like whenever you are selling or telling about any particular brand to your customer, you should take the responsibility as well. Like, yes, it is like this, it is like that, but you are the representative of that particular product, so you will take responsibility as well. Like, yes, I feel pride about that. And then empathy means put yourself in the guest shoes or your customer shoes and feel what they want, what they are looking for, so you will go in that flow. And friendliness is very important. So if you feel that guest is not talking so much, or guest is shy, or guest is like not happy with your response, so you need to be make them and talk them in friendly way, respected way. In customer service, my personal that I see in my industry as well, 3 golden words that is work very easily, like please, thank you, and sorry. These 3 words is very unique, very important in this line, that customer service. Every brand has their own customer service, has their own department who deals with all the queries, all the service related, or any small big detail that any person, any customer who buys your product have. So you need to be like please them with their body language, with their friendliness, with your positive language, with your speaking skills, and take the responsibility of all these things. So it is very important. So whenever you speak about your product, all this character you should put when you speak, so the guest, the customer feel like yes, you have the knowledge, you understand their need, and you give them the right answer, the right solution. So the guest feel like yes, you know the things and what they want, what they're looking for, and you have the answer, so that you can win your guest and you can bring back the business to your company. That is very important. Okay, let's go. Thank you.